Principal, Reverend Sisters, and respected teachers, and my dear students. Today we are celebrating Children's Day all over our country. As we are celebrating Children's Day, I wish you a very, very happy Children's Day to all of you. Today I would like to bring your attention an incident which changed the world. 1881, a boy was born in a poor family in England. His name was Alexander Fleming. Due to his poverty, his father was unable to give him good education. But an incident changed the life of this child. One day, a rich man's child lost his faith, and Alexander Fleming's father saw the child and took him child to his father. And the child's father was very happy, and the rich man, he wanted to reward him. But Alexander Fleming's father said, "No, I don't want any reward. I don't want any money." So next day, the rich man visited Alexander Fleming's family and asked him, "What can I do for you? May I educate your child, Alexander Fleming?" "Yes, was the reply." It was a turning point in the life of Alexander Fleming, and the rich man took Alexander Fleming and educated him. As Fleming was a studious student, he studied well and went forward and became the famous bacteriologist of England who discovered penicillin in 1928. His discovery has saved millions of lives all over the world. He got Nobel Prize for this discovery in 1945. It is only education which can change our society, our world. Good education is vital for progress. So, parents must take this responsibility seriously in educating their children and sending them to the best education institutions possible. It is only through education we can make changes in our world. We need change, and this can come only through good education. It can be given by only good education institutions. So, I request all the parents, send your children to good schools, colleges, and universities. It is only good schools and universities and colleges can produce good citizens. So, once again, I take this opportunity to wish all of you, dear parents and my dear children, a very, very happy Children's Day and a happy Diwali. Thank you all. God bless you.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा।
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा,
महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महक्यूं जैसे, बादलों की मैं फूल कुछ दरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बाबरिया, बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा।
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा। जाके हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुपके गाए आधी आधी बांट ले आजा दिल की ये जमीन थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद था ख्वाब में तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया
मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली
हम सभी में हर किसी के
दिल में है वही
हो ज़मीन या आसमां हो
वो है हर कहीं रोशनी 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 ये भी उसी का नाम है ये जहां है उसी का काम है उसने बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली उसने बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी उसने बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली उसने बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली
Dear parents and my dear children, Diwali is a festival of lights, and this light dispels the darkness. This light we share to every one of you. I take this opportunity to wish you a blessed Diwali and a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Most valued parents and my dear students, warm and plenteous greetings on the ecstatic moment of Diwali and Children's Day. While thanking Almighty for His countless blessings, I am here to spell out the words of gratitude to each and every one of you. I am highly indebted to the entire management of St. Francis Convent School, Ghani ke Bangar for its remarkable contribution in the success story of this temple of learning. Let me take this opportunity to thank my dear workmates and most valued parents for their support with noble actions in all our endeavors. I am highly obliged to the precious souls of this institution who made us find our best in each and everything. Once again, with folded hands and deep reverence, I thank you all and wish you a blessed Diwali and happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Happy